Hello, I'm Arron from Richer Sounds. Today we're going to delve into the world of home entertainment. With a wealth of stunning media and advanced tech, the only real limitation is your imagination. Join me as we look inside the Leeds store state-of-the-art home cinema room to see what's possible. The first thing you have to think about is what you're going to be watching. Put the cinema into home cinema with a projector. At the high end, our custom installs department can help you build a dedicated home cinema room. Maybe convert the spare room or garage. Think plush seats and popcorn. Or maybe you've got a dedicated living space that you want to make the most out of. With a projector, you get the big screen experience at a great price without a big TV taking up space on the wall. For this room, we've gone with an option from Sony's range. It's a native 4K projector, meaning you get a bigger screen, you can sit closer, and yet you still get those fantastic pin-sharp images. This is a traditional long throw projector, meaning it's mounted at the back of the room, much like your average high street cinema. We also do a great range of ultra short throw projectors, which sit just a few feet away from the screen, and yet they still serve up the same cinematic feast for the eyes. Although it might seem like an obvious choice to project directly onto a white wall, we would highly recommend a good quality projector screen. In this instance, we've gone for a high gain screen, which means we see the most colour and brightness that the room can possibly allow. A screen like this will also help in brighter rooms, even in the daylight. Some screens, including this one, are actually acoustically transparent, which means you can mount in-wall speakers directly behind the screen, cutting down on black boxes and also helping your new home cinema be a treat for your eyes as well as your ears. Our custom install department can help pick the right speakers for you and also install them to a high level of quality. We also stock a great range of thin wall-mounted speakers, meaning if you don't want to bury your speakers in the wall like we have here, or if you're planning to move, they can be a great choice. We're also very excited about the latest generation of surround sound formats. These are designed to throw sound all around you and above your head to create a truly immersive experience. We can also recommend the right in-ceiling speakers, which can help immerse you even more in your favourite movies and games. But of course, it wouldn't be a cinema system without a subwoofer. These add all-important depth and realism to your entertainment. In this instance, we've not just gone for one big subwoofer, we've actually gone for two. This helps even the sound out, and no matter where you sit in the room, you get the same high quality experience. If you'd like any more advice on subwoofer placement and pairing, or anything else, give us a call or pop into your local Richer Sounds store today. At Richer Sounds, we have a lowest price guarantee, which means we won't be beaten on price across our entire range. Head over to our website or give us a call to find out more. Now, over to the beating heart of any home cinema system, the AV receiver. While many of these units may look similar, it's what's under the hood that counts. Imagine hooking up your next-gen console and upgrading your gaming experience. Or what about streaming music when you have friends over? These amplifier hubs not only give you the best sound quality, but also open up a world of options for you. Our custom install team can also have these fitted in specially designed cabinets, which not only reduce clutter, but improve the overall aesthetic. At Richer Sounds, we don't just stop there. We're with you every step of the way to your completed home cinema room. Seating, for example. In this room, we've gone for a design that allows you to control both the leg and shoulder functionality independently. That way you can find optimum comfort. Again, to complete your dream room, have you considered smart lighting? This range by Philips Hue comes in both spotlight and LED strips. You can control them with your smartphone or tablet and sync them up to the rest of the room, meaning you can actually have the lights dim when the movie comes on and brighten up when it finishes. Hopefully this video has inspired your next project, whether it be big or small. We know how much fun movies, box sets and gaming can be, and we're here to show you the hidden potential in your home. At Richer Sounds, we're very proud of the fact that we've won multiple Which Retail Awards over the years, and we believe that's because of our expert knowledge, customer service and unbeatable prices. We won't just sell you the most expensive item and send you on your way. We're more than a shop, we're a complete solution. So if you'd like more information, or if you'd like to speak to one of our custom install experts, or even just have a chat about what's possible for you, give us a call today. Thanks for watching.